Hey Spiffy Family, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. My name is Patrice. It'd be great if you hit that subscribe button down below to join the family. So this video is going to be talking about whether locks are heavy. And we're going to go into detail on how your locks become heavy, why it can be heavy, and things like that. So if you are interested in this video, then just keep on watching because, you know, why would you even click off the video anyway? Because you love me, right? Okay? Give your girl a thumbs up, by the way. Today we're going to talk about are locks heavy? And you might be wondering, maybe you don't have locks and you're concerned, or, you know, you don't know if locks are heavy. Today I just want to answer this question. And for me personally, my locks are nowhere near heavy. And at the length that I'm at right now, a lot of people may assume that my locks are heavy because they're pretty long. They're all the way down my back. So, you know, they would think it's heavy. One, because the length, and two, because the way that it looks. What I do want to mention is that a lot of times when your hair becomes heavy, I've heard so many people say their hair is heavy at like 2 years, 3-year mark. And that solely depends on sometimes the density of your hair. You have a lot more hair on your head, and your hair actually carries more weight than other people. Maybe I'll get a slight bit of heaviness when my hair is wet, but it's nothing extreme where I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair is so heavy right now, you know, because I actually have really light hair. Like when you touch it and actually hold it, it's really, really light. It doesn't feel like much, you know, it doesn't feel like a lot of weight in your hands. Even though your hair could be very thick in size, like as far as your locks go, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're heavy. They can actually feel very light, almost like cotton. And that's how I like to describe my locks, because my hair is very cottony in texture, and then it's very light. So cotton is light, and so is my hair. And I also like to say that it's cottony because my texture is a little weird. Because what happens when I don't retwist my hair for a certain period of time is that the hairs from my original lock will actually just say, you know, I'm separating, or I'm cheating on you, I'm going over here, I'm going to go my separate way. Like literally my locks, or the hairs around each section, will just start to divide. And then it just starts looking weird. Like, I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but one day I will make a video when I have the courage. A major thing that causes locks to be really heavy is the products that we use in our hair. So you want to pay attention to what you use in your hair, because that could be weighing your locks down. And if you experience very heavy locks at the 1-year mark, 2-year mark, then I feel like you should be a little concerned, unless it's how your hair actually grows. But if you're using thick products as in like if you're using products that have thick consistency, and it's just really, really hard to get out your locks, then you will probably experience really heavy locks because you have product buildup. You can tell the thickness of a product by when you drip it. So if it's like really, really easy to drip, then it's more so runny than it is thick. So if it's just really like boop, 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 like if it's just like that slowly dripping, then you can see that it's a thicker product. So just keep that in mind, because a lot of people would actually use oils and stuff like that, and certain oils that you use in your hair is not particularly for locks, or I should say, like, you should probably be cautious with certain oils that you put in your hair, because it kind of doesn't have a purpose for our locks in a sense, only because certain oils just clog our scalp instead of actually benefiting it.
And if I got a man now, at least you know where I stand now, Cause I've been there,